Hey, Green. Something interesting happened today that got me thinking. I got checked for being dismissive, and they were totally right. We had a strategy session scheduled. I canceled it because they didn't have a marketing plan in place, and I said, "I think I think it's a little too early in the journey for this conversation. Let me know if you'd like some marketing resources." They came back and pointed out that I didn't take the time to understand where they were in their journey, which was totally right. So I'm going to step back and look at that. But what it got me thinking about was the fact that when it comes to us presenting ourselves as brands online, some things that we need to keep in mind are the fact that the human brain takes between 200 and 250 milliseconds to process information. That's zero point 0.2 to 0.25 seconds. And also at the same time, it takes us 7 seconds to form a first impression of a brand. So as brands, that means that when we put ourselves in front of people, the information that we place in front of them needs to be relevant, it needs to be compelling, and it needs to be provocative. And when I say provocative, I mean that it needs to move them to action, right? And the action we want to move them to is to connect with us more deeply as opposed to opt out of any kind of relationship with us, right? So those are three things to consider when you're looking at your messaging, and pretty much whenever you're putting your brand in front of people. Are you doing those three things consistently? Are you doing them strong enough to for people to want to continue to engage with you, and to like draw them deeper and deeper into a relationship with you so that they see your value and they want to do business with you or invest in your brand? So that's what I was thinking about today after that encounter that I had. If you want to get into how to do this in your storytelling when you're connecting with people on your brand by sharing your story, then take a look at my free case study video, How to Get Publicity Without Breaking the Bank. All you have to do is enter your best email address and you'll get instant access to it. First link in the bio. So go ahead and click first link in the bio.